Okay guys, testing natin to setup na to. Kung maganda ba yung magiging sound niya. And let's try to tinker with it. So, kapit ko na sa interface. And then, diretso natin sa reaper.
Okay, so kung narinig nyo, no, yung difference nila, the first one was nasa G-string part ng bridge. Medyo muffled yung high end, tapos tunog ngongo din yung low end. So, I had to readjust, and yun, nung nilagay ko siya sa E-string na side, mas naging focus siya, no? Don't worry about the volume kasi titingnan ko lang din kung gaano kalakas yung gain niya and iset it on a standard level dun sa interface. Of course, this is the first part of our setup. Thank you nga pala kay Peds for sharing his setup. So if you want this type of pickup, ililink ko siya sa yellow basket ko, and also some links going to my TikTok shop. And yun, sobrang sulit nito, especially if you have lots of events and sawa ka na sa pangit na timpla and feedback kapag condenser yung ginagamit or sobrang hinang tunog sa dynamic. At least dito mas rinig yung instrument mo. And just follow for more.